Hi guys, how you doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. Everybody's doing fine. And today I wanted to review the 1950s Chevy truck. It is one of the special real riders cars. It says that the tires look and feel like the real thing. And this is what it looks like in the front. This is what it looks like on the side. I'm gonna take it out of the protector, and this is what it looks like on the back. Alright, I'll take it out of the protector so you guys can see better. Okay, here it goes. Take out of the protector now. Looks and feels like the real thing, the tires. This is what it looks like in the front. This is what it looks like in the back. HotWheelsCollectors.com. This is what the car looks like. Card on the back. It is number 8,000. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It is number 8,988 out of 11,000. You see it right here. Right here is the hologram, the seal of authenticity. Alright. This is what the car says. The most popular series of the 80s is back, but with an added twist. And this is the added twist to 50th Chevy truck. Right there. So if anyone, this one is up for trade. So if anyone is interested in trading for it, let me know. Hit me up. I'm looking for supers, or any convention cars. I will trade for it. This back right here looks like this can be lifted. You can lift this up and down. That's what it looks like. But it's a nice truck. Real riders, of course. Real riders. Really looking tires. Really nice looking truck right there. Alright, guys. Alright, that's the Real Riders 50th truck. So until then, guys, sorry about that. There it goes right there, guys. So let me know, leave your tips, comments, suggestions, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, leave feedback, and let me know if anyone's interested. If anyone has like special cars, I'm up for trading it. I would take the Chevy truck, super Chevy truck, if anyone has it, and maybe, you know, a couple other cars, whatever you have. Let me know what you have, okay? All right, so happy hunting, guys. God bless you, and till next video.